Francine Marques. I'm a professor of genetics and genomics at Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. I'm originally from Brazil. I came to Australia after I did my bachelor and my master's in genetics and molecular biology. And I was supposed to have a gap year, and I fell in love with Australia. So I have been here now for 18 years. I was lucky to be offered a PhD scholarship from the University of Sydney. And then after I completed my scholarship there, I was offered a position at Federation University with one of my collaborators. During that period, I was then able to secure fellowships from the Heart Foundation and the NHMRC. And then I was recruited to move my research program to the Baker Heart and Diabetes Institute. So I did my second postdoctoral training there until I was recruited by Monash University to start my lab here in 2018. So it has been a fantastic journey, something that I'm really proud of, the work that my team is doing, and really happy with my ability to help other people in this role as well. My research focuses on hypertension and the gut microbiome, so specifically how we can leverage our gut microbes to help us reduce blood pressure. The research came out of a lot of my curiosity around this area, but also from the first clinical study that I did, and I recruited participants myself. A lot of them were coming to us saying, I want something that is not medication to try to lower my blood pressure. Can you help me find something? So a lot of the research has now focused on dietary fiber specifically, and how we can leverage fiber via production of microbial metabolites to then lower blood pressure. So they study, the research program started when we're doing just studies in animals, and after we had found very strong evidence that these microbial metabolites called short-chain fatty acids could lower blood pressure in animals. These results were then confirmed by other groups globally. We're then able to move this to a clinical trial. So what was really exciting, and that was published in Nature Cardiovascular Research in 2023, what was really exciting about that study is that we're able to use a fiber that has been chemically modified and enriched by these microbial metabolites. So we're able to deliver very high levels of these microbial metabolites, much higher than we would ever be able to achieve if we just had a high fiber diet. And through delivering these metabolites, we're able to lower 24-hour systolic blood pressure in our participants by 6 millimeters mercury in as little as 3 weeks, which is a really exciting finding for the field, because we know that blood pressure sometimes can take much longer to be able to be lowered with medication. So this 6 millimeters mercury is equivalent of taking one blood pressure lowering medication, and it's also calculated to reduce, for example, coronary risk or stroke risk by 14%. Our research is funded by the NHMRC, the Australian Research Council, the Heart Foundation, the Sylvia and Charles Viertel Foundation, and the Australian Stroke and Heart Research Accelerator Program. My passion for my work comes from my professional mission to empower and support others to achieve the best version of themselves. And I believe that our research has a potential to impact everybody's lives in terms of improving their cardiovascular health. But also we do a lot of community engagement, and that's something that is really important to us, to bring the research back to our communities, to try to help them again understand better their health, and how empowering them can help them to make better decisions about taking care of their cardiovascular function. We also do a lot of work around our community in terms of early career researchers and supporting them, and that's something that I'm really happy that my work allows me to do, as well as I guess a lot of passion comes from working with a fantastic team. So I'm really proud of the team that I have, and I can see the potential, the incredible potential that they all have, and helping them succeed and achieve their own dreams. That's something that really helps me get out of bed and get into the campus. Outside work, I enjoy spending time with my family, so going on trips or just spending time down on the beach or going for a walk with them. I also like to bake. So before sourdough was fashionable, I have already been making it for many, many years. And I also love bringing cakes to my team when it's someone's birthday. And I also enjoy spending time in the garden, time with my dogs. And even though it's not necessarily outside work, I do enjoy doing advocacy work about medical research.